Lesson 10. Fundamentals of QBasic. A computer can perform various tasks such as simple mathematical operations to complex mathematical calculations, and from simple design to multimedia animations. A computer does all these functions efficiently, effectively, and faultlessly. But computer cannot perform anything on its own. We as users have to give it instruction as to what we want it to do. Therefore, we give it a set of instructions in order to make it understand to perform an operation. This very set of instructions is called a computer program. Computer can only follow the instructions in the programs and perform the functions as per the instructions specified. The persons who create these programs are known as programmers or coders. The language used by the programmers to write the computer programs is called as programming language. Basic, Fortran, Pascal, COBOL, C, C++, and Java are some examples of programming language. These languages cannot be understood directly by the computer, so they require to be interpreted into low-level languages or machine languages. Basic and its advantages. Basic stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is quite easy to understand. Two professors of Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, USA, Professor John G. Kimini and Thomas E. Kurth, played key roles in developing this language in May 1964. This language has become very popular mainly due to its simplicity. BASIC has undergone many improvements. The popular BASIC editions are GW Basica, and QBasic. In this chapter, we will throw light on the commands and programs associated with QBasic, where Q stands for Quick. Microsoft QBasic. It is an integrated development environment (IDE) developed by Microsoft Industry to write, edit, debug, and execute BASIC programs. The process of finding and removing errors in BASIC programs is known as debugging. Bugs mean errors. Steps to write a program in QBasic. Let us write our first and very simple QBasic program. Double-click on the QBasic icon on the desktop to start QBasic. The QBasic window will appear with Welcome dialog box. Press the Escape key to hide the Welcome dialog box. The first window of QBasic gets appeared. Type the program as given in the above picture. QBasic executes the program line by line. If it finds any error, it displays the error message and then stops execution. Save a program. Click on File menu and select Save As option. Give a suitable name to your program in the file name text box and press Enter key. Your file will be saved with extension .bas along with the name given by you. BAS is the default extension of every saved program. The file name must not exceed more than 8 characters. Run a program. There are many ways to run a program in QBasic. By pressing F5 key, by selecting Run menu and then clicking on Start option. By typing Run in the immediate mode and pressing Enter key. Main components of a QBasic program. Let us know and understand the main components of the given QBasic program. Comments. Any text written after rem is treated as a comment and is ignored by computer. It enables you to write anything and gives as many comments as you wish. Program body. It comprises the programming statements which cause the action to be taken. QBasic statements used in a program. Print statement. The print statement enables us to print any message or result. To print any message or result. Any text written in double quotes is printed as such. Anything written without quotes is treated as a program component and its value will be printed. Syntax. Line number, print, message, line number, print, variable name, line number are optional. 20 print. Welcome to the world of basic programming. It will print the message, Welcome to the world of basic programming. Print A. Example, it will print the value stored in variable A. AND statement. To show the end of a program, AND statement is used. Any statement written after AND will not get executed. Character set of basic. A character set is a set of symbols. It is used to frame various components of a program. BASIC uses the following symbols as its character set. Alphabet A, B, C, D, E to Z. A, B, C, D, E to Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Special characters. Exclamation mark, @ hash, dollar, percentage, exponentiation, and asterisk symbol, bracket open, bracket close, underscore, add, dot, pipe, double quote, slash, question mark, greater than, less than, dot, semicolon, colon, square bracket open, square bracket close, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, etc. Constants and variables. Constants. The values stored in program are called constants. On the basis of the type of value, the constants can be classified into two parts, string constants and numeric constants. String constants are also known as alphanumeric constants. Constants are of two types. Number 1, alphanumeric or string constants. A set of characters is called a string. String constants are used to represent non-numeric quantities such as names, addresses, etc. The formation of the string constantly occurs with the set of alphabets A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and certain special symbols like percentage, question mark, hash, exponentiation, and asterisk symbol, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon, colon, double quote, slash. It must be enclosed within double quotation mark. Example A334, we love our country, SALU. Number 2. Numeric constants. A numeric constant is any numeric value for performing mathematical operations such as addition, multiplication, division, etc. For example, 448, plus 21, 0, dash 9.8 are all valid numeric constants. Numeric constants must not include any special character and are used for calculations. Variables. A variable is an area in computer memory and within a program which can be referred to by a name and whose value can be changed during execution of a program. It continues to hold the value until another value is assigned to it. There are two variables in QBasic: numeric variables and string variables. Number 1. Numeric variable. It always represents a numeric value. Either alphabet or digit or both may be used to form numeric variable. It should not contain any space symbols like exponentiation, question mark, slash, at the rate, semicolon, colon, etc. There is a restriction that the first character must be an alphabet. N44, A, C6, B9 underscore can be used whenever a space is required. Example A6. Number 2. String variable. It is a string of characters or alphanumeric values. It gets started with an alphabet and can be followed by the character of either alphabet or digits. The restriction about the last character is that it should always be a dollar, as dollar, local dollar, heading dollar. In a variable name, none other than the signs dollar, exclamation mark can be used. Operators. 3 types of operators are provided in BASIC. Number 1. Arithmetic operators. It operates the numeric constants and variables, giving always a numeric output. A computer performs many arithmetic operations and calculations with the help of arithmetic operators. The basic arithmetic operators are given here. Operator addition. Explanation: to add 2 or more numbers. Example: sum equals to a plus b. Result 12. Operator subtraction. Explanation: to subtract 2 or more numbers. Example: sub equal to a minus b. Result 4. Operator multiplication. Explanation: to multiply 2 or more numbers. Example: mul equal to a into b. Result 32. Operator division. Explanation: to divide 2 or more numbers. Example: div equal to a divide b. Result 2. Operator exponentiation. Explanation: to calculate exponential value. Example: s equal to a exponentiation 3. Result 512. Number 2. Relational operators. They are used to compare two values using any of the given relational operators from a relational expression. Third, logical operators. To perform logical operation on numerical values. Logical operators are used. They combine two or more relational expressions and return a single value as true or false in a decision. The common logical operators are AND, OR, NOT. Hierarchy of operations. Hierarchy defines the order in which the operators are executed in any basic expression. We use formula or mnemonic BIGMAS for hierarchy of operation. The full form of BIGMAS is B as a bracket, E as a exponentiation, D as a division, M as a multiplication, A as a addition, and S as a subtraction. Solve the expression. 12 multiply 4 plus bracket open 14 plus 4 bracket close plus 2 exponentiation 2 minus 12 divide 6. First bracket will be solved. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 2 exponentiation 2 minus 12 divide 6. Then exponentiation will be performed. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 2 exponentiation 2 minus 12 divide 6. Now division will be performed. 12 multiply 4 plus 18 plus 4 minus 2. Then multiplication will be performed. 48 plus 18 plus 4 minus 2. Then addition will be performed. 70 minus 2. At last, subtraction will be performed. 68. Answer. Write a QBasic program to display the biodata of a student. 10. RAM to display the biodata of a student. 20. Print roll number 1. 30. Print name Rehan Khanna. 40. Print class 6th A. 50. End. Points for review. Computer is a versatile machine capable of performing multi-tasks from very simple mathematical operations to complex mathematical